Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use ashwagandha and safed musli. These powerful Ayurvedic herbs offer unique benefits for your health. Ashwagandha, an adaptogen, helps manage stress and boosts energy levels. Safed musli is traditionally used to enhance vitality and physical performance. We'll explore how to effectively incorporate both into your daily routine for optimal results. Ashwagandha is well regarded for its ability to reduce stress and improve sleep, with studies showing significant reductions in anxiety. Safed musli, on the other hand, is celebrated for enhancing vitality and supporting reproductive health. For ashwagandha, a common daily dose is 300 to 500 milligrams. Safed musli is often taken in doses of 250 to 500 milligrams, usually twice a day. Combining ashwagandha and safed musli can create a powerful synergy, amplifying their individual benefits for overall wellness. It's generally recommended to take these herbs with food to help prevent any potential stomach discomfort. For best results, consistency is crucial. Aim to take them daily for a period of at least 8 to 12 weeks to truly experience their full effects. Always consult with a healthcare professional before introducing any new supplements, especially if you have existing health conditions or are taking other medications. Pay close attention to how your body responds and discontinue use if you experience any adverse effects. Remember to check the description below for a link to those amazing darn tough socks and other great deals. Your well-being is paramount.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.